Today we're making Chinese steamed bun. Yeah, Chinese steamed bun. We're not going to be baking this, we're steaming this, and it's a very simple and straightforward recipe. Very fluffy, airy, soft, and tasty as well. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's go in straight. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. We start by pouring our flour, sugar, yeast, salt, baking powder, vegetable oil, and milk into a bowl, and we mix on a low speed for a few minutes and increase the speed. We're mixing this for about 6 minutes, and when this dough is properly mixed, we put it on a floured board and cut. Do make sure you scale your dough to have equal sizes of the bun. Alright, at this point we're done cutting, and next is rolling. The rolling is something that is very easy and wouldn't be taking much time. If you can roll on a board, you can roll with your hand, or better still, you fold it in until you get that round shape, and that is it. We're going to be leaving this dough to rest for about 45 to 90 minutes before we steam this. But before doing that, we need to prepare our steamer. We're using our bamboo steamer here. We put in our baking paper and line our dough on it. That is all what we need. And after this, you cover and allow to double in size. Yes, for 40 to 90 minutes. While we're proofing our dough, let's go straight to boiling our water for the steaming. As soon as the water is hot, you go in with your bamboo steamer that has the dough in it. We'll be steaming this for about 8 to 10 minutes. As soon as the time is up, gently open the lid on one side and allow the steam out. Do not make the mistake of opening the lid like I did in this video all at once, else you would have a deflated bun, as you can see here. Alright, so to have a very fine and smooth bun, do not open the lid all at once. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And try out this recipe. Let me know how it went. Until next time, bye.